So we have this thing out there called the cloud, and a lot of things go on in the cloud. People update their blogs, their Facebook's page, LinkedIn. They also make purchases. They use GPSs that are connected to the network. Part of that data is your customer's data. Now let's say you have a Hadoop cluster. Hadoop clusters consist of a name node and then an HDFS, which is spread out across what are effectively job nodes. All of this data flows into your system, at least all of your customer data. Lots of customer information comes in, and as it comes in, it gets spread across your different job nodes. Some of these pieces contain specific customer data. Sometimes it's the same customer multiple times on different job nodes, but they're all separate pieces of data. But you have information like the customer ID, the point of sale, the location, time, what goods or services they're purchasing. What is it we want to do? What's the next thing once we know that a customer is, let's say, making a purchase? What should we do? What action should we take? When do we want to take that? Well, we know we want to do it now. What do we know? We know who the customer is. We know what they're getting, what goods or services they're purchasing. We know where they are. Therefore, we know their locale. We also know what neighborhood they're in, what's nearby. What's unknown? Well, we don't have a full customer history in Hadoop. We have just a very small snippet of customer information. We don't really know their personal likes or dislikes because we're limited by the job nodes. Our actions are ineffective. To solve that problem, we can introduce big memory. Big memory can contain all customer history in memory for access by all job nodes. We can keep the customer profile, customer history, social snippets that they've made over time. Tracking history. Where have they been? Where have they gone? Where do they normally go? And this big memory can be placed, access to big memory can be placed in each job node. So every job node has access to this complete customer picture. All customer history across all jobs, fast access, all the time. This is how big memory can be used with Hadoop.